Back in this video, I'm going to teach you exercise 16.4 means mensuration. Whatever the left part is just means area of the cross section along with the volume surface area. So you have to watch this video till end. The video mensuration exercise 16.4. Find the surface area and volume of a cube whose one edge is given 7 centimeter. Here, as we know, edge one edge is given means let it be A. A is given 7 centimeter. As we know, surface area of a cube we know that 6a square. Here the value of a is given 7 centimeters. So 6 into 49, because a square 7 into 7 a square, so we can write 294 centimeter square. Okay, now after that we have to find out the volume. So as we know, volume of surface area of, first we have to find out surface area of cube and volume of cube equal to a cube means triple time up length. So 7 into 7 into 7 centimeter means 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter is 7 centimeter. So we can write cubic centimeter, that is 343 cubic centimeter. This is our required answer. So this is the first part, this is the second part. Write down please. Now question number 3. The length and breadth of a rectangular solid are respectively 25 centimeter and 20 centimeter. If the volume is 7000 cubic centimeter, find its height. So here length and breadth is given. Rectangular length is given 20 centimeter, 25 centimeter given, 25 centimeter, and breadth is given 20 centimeter, and height we have to find out. And the volume is given. So rectangular solid means this is three-dimensional figure. So as we know, volume of rectangular solid equal to length into breadth into height. Here the volume is given 7000 cubic centimeter and length is given 25 centimeter, breadth is given 20 centimeter, and height we have to find out. Therefore height equal to volume by length into breadth. This 0 gone. This is 350 and this will be go by 14 table. So therefore height equal to 14 centimeter. Write down please. This is our required answer. Write down please. Question number 6, it is given. Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. She wants to place the tree on a wooden box covered with colored paper with pictures of Santa Claus. She must know that exact quantity paper to buy for this purpose. If the box has length 80 centimeter, breadth 40 centimeter, and height 20 centimeter respectively, then how many square sheet of paper of side 40 centimeter would she require? Means here length is given, breadth is given, height is given. So we have to find out the surface area of the box. So surface area of rectangular box, solid box. This is surface area of box equal to 2 into LB, 2 into LB BH plus LH. So here length, breadth and height is given. So 2 into, we can write LB means 2 into 80 into 40, 80 into 40 plus 40 into 20 plus 20 into 80 centimeter square. Centimeter square. Centimeter square. Now multiply, we can multiply this part. Now after multiplying this one means 4 into 8, 2 into 3200 plus 800 plus 1600 centimeter square. Okay. So 2 into, after adding we'll get 5600 centimeter square, 11,200 centimeter square. But here now this is the box of this one, means box of, means Santa Claus Christmas trees box. He wants to place a tree, wooden box. Okay, now we have to, piece of paper is given 40 centimeters. So we have to find out the area of the square sheet. Now after that we will go for the area of the square sheet. Area of the square sheet. Area of the square sheet whose side is given 80 centimeter each. So 80 into 80 centimeter, that is 1600 centimeter square. 1600 centimeter square. Now number of seats. Therefore number of seat equal to volume of the surface area of the box and area of the box and area of the one seat, means that is 11,200 cubic centimeter, sorry, square centimeter square and 1600 centimeter square. So this one gone 1 2 1 2 and it will go by 7. So therefore 7. Now how many seats we need? 7 seats. Come on, write down. Now question number 9. The length of the longest rod which can be kept inside a rectangular box 7 centimeter if the inner length and breadth of a box are 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Find the inner height. So let the inner height be h. Let the inner height be h. Okay, inner height be h. Now as we know that which is same as a diagonal of rectangular box, that is means what, 17, means 17 is equal to under root what, l square plus b square plus 8 square. It is already given. So I can write what here it is, length and breadth is given, means 17 equal to 12 square. Now length it is given, breadth is given, height we have to find. Now squaring both the side. After squaring both the side, so it will be 17 whole square equal to 12 whole square plus 8 square plus h square. So this will be 289. Now this implied that 289 centimeters square equal to 144 plus 64 plus h square. Therefore h square equal to 289 minus 200, because this one we have to add, so sorry, 208. So it will be 81. Therefore h equal to under root 81, that is 9 centimeter. So this is your question number 9. Write down please. Yes, question number 13, it is given a certain quantity of wood cost rupees 250 per cubic meter. A solid cubical block of such wood is bought for rupees 182.25. Calculate the volume of the block and use the method of factors to find the length of one edge of the block. So it is given cost of rupees 1, cost of rupees 250 for 1 cubic meter of wood. Therefore cost of rupees 1 for what is 1 by 250 cubic meter wood. Now cost of rupees 182.25 for what, means 182.25 by 250 cubic meter wood, means that is the quantity of wood. So it will be what, remove the this one, I can write 182, removing the point, means 25 by 250 into 100 cubic meter, it will come. So it will go by what, by 10 table. This is 10, means 10 25 sir 250 and 729. So it will come 729 by 1000 cubic meter. Okay, now therefore what this one, the means it will come 0.729 cubic meter. Up to here you write down please. Now this is the what, this will be means volume of the block, means that is volume of block that is 0.2729 cubic centimeter. Now let the length of one edge of block be x. Let one edge of block be x meter. Okay. Now therefore x equal to what? X cube equal to, because as we know length of this one, the volume we have to take in, so volume of this block will be x cube, and we have already taken out the volume of the block is what? 0.729 cubic meter. Now remove the cube, so it will be what? Cube root of 0. I am here also removing the point, so it will become 729 by 1000 meter. So we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is the 9, 9 is the 27, 81, 243, 729. And this will be 2 into 2 into 2 and 5 into 5 into 5 according to the demand of the question it is given. So this I can write x equal to cubic root of 3 cube into 3 cube and 2 cube into 5 cube. Okay, removing the cube. Now we are removing the cube, it will become 3 into 3 by 2 into 5, that is 9 by 10 equal to 0.9 meter. This is our required answer. Write down please. It is given a field is 30 meter long and 18 meter broad, a pit 6 meter long, 4 meter wide and 3 meter dug out from the middle of the field, and earth removed, it's evenly spread over the remaining area of the part of the field in centimeter correct to decimal. Means here it is a rectangular field is given and one pit is there whose height is given, length is given and breadth is given like this 4, 6 and 3, and this is your rectangular field. So first of all we have to find out the first part. First part means what? This 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter into means this is 4 centimeters dug out, so we have to leave that length we have to remove, so 18 minus 4 it will be 14 meter into this 6 meter and height is not given, let it be given same, so this is 84 height into cubic meter, means cubic meter. Now this is part 2, volume of part 2. Part 2 means what? We have to find out what? This is 30, this 6 we have to remove, means we have to see from here, because 30 into means 30 minus 6 it will be 24, means that is part 2. Volume of part 2 means 24 into this length means 18 into height cubic meter. Okay, so after multiply 24 into 18 it will come 432 into height cubic meter. Now this pit, volume of the third part, volume of the pit. So volume of the pit means first of all this part after removing this pit, so what is our means area will means that volume will be left, that volume will means what? Part 1 and plus part 2, so part 1 plus part 2 volume part 1 part 2 means what? 432, or you can write 84 h plus 432 h 432 h, that is 516. 516 h. You have to find out this h. Now this speed volume will be what? Volume of the earth dugout equal to, means this one equal to that, that part you have to find out, means 516 h into 4 centimeter into 3 meter into 6 meter. So 516 h equal to 72. Therefore h equal to 72 by 516. 516. It will come after dividing meter. Now we have to put in the unit, that is meter. Meter. Okay. So after dividing 0.139595 meter. Now change into centimeter. Centimeter means multiplied by 100. So 0.1395 into 100, changing into centimeter, it will come 13.95 centimeter. This is the, according to the question, correct to decimal. Write down. Simple. We have to see this here. This length is 18, and here we already dug out what, 4 by 6 by 3. So that part, that 4 we have to remove. Okay, and this 6, this part. So 18 into 6 into 8. After that, this part we have to come this area, means this 6 will remove from 30, means 24 into this length, it will remain same, 18 into h. This is the main fundamental of the question. Write down please. Is question number 25. It is given the area of cross section of a pipe 3.5 centimeter square and water is flowing out of pipe at the rate of 40 centimeter per second. How much water is delivered by the pipe in 1 minute? In 1 minute means, first of all we have to find out the area of the cross section. It is given. Okay, speed of the water is given. So area of the, so question number 25. Area of the cross section. Cross section it is given 3.5 centimeter square. Okay, and speed of the water, is 40 centimeter per second. Now length of 1 second, length of what, that column in 1 second, it will be what? Length of water, means length of water in 1 second. In 1 second it is given 40 centimeter. Okay, that length of the water 40 centimeter. Now the volume of water in 1 second is equal to area of the cross section. Volume of water flowing in 1 second is equal to area of cross section into what? Length. Into length. Now so therefore volume of water flowing in 1 second is equal to area of cross section into length. That is what? Means area of cross section is given 3.5. Okay, 3.5 centimeter square into 40. Okay, so remove the point, it will come 140 cubic centimeter. Now what you have to find? Volume of water in 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. So volume of water volume of water flowing in 1 minute, that is 60 seconds, means, or 60 second 60 second means 140 into 60 cubic centimeter. But as we know, 1 liter equal to what? 1 liter equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Therefore volume equal to what? 140 into 60 by 1000 liter. It will come 84 by 10, that is 8.4 liter. 8.4 liter. So this is our required answer. I hope you understand. Okay, you have to solve the rest of the question, please. This video till end, and I hope you understand. If you are having any problem, you can contact with me directly. So please, after finishing this chapter, you have to practice hard, because now second semester is knocking at the door. So thank you for watching this video. Please see, subscribe and like the channel.